Here we are at Ranthambore National Park, about to start our safari into the jungle. Started our Ranthambore safari, and just praying that we sight a tiger today. Let's see if we meet him on this safari of ours. This is our zone from where we have to enter the forest. Zone 5 and 4. Two zones this side. Two zones. Look at the bird, yeah. Look at this beautiful bird. Lovely bird and looks so friendly, not scared at all. He's gone and now sat down on the jeep of these people. And actually, these people appear to be nervous. Go, 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 go. Wait. Oh my god, he's come and sat on the steering wheel. Come on your. I hope he doesn't bite me. He's so sweet. He's. Oh my god, look at his beak open. I hope he doesn't take a chomp on my phone. Go, man. Come on. They're so friendly, yeah. This is the jungle. Territory of the tiger. And here we are so lucky today to see Noor, the beautiful Noor, and so happy she gave us ample sighting of herself that really made our day. He gets up. Yeah, he gets up. He gets up. Oh my god, he's huge. Oh my god, Ricky. It's worth all the wait. It's worth. Today I was so upset today, depressed, and I think he sensed it. That was shown his mug to us. Oh wow, that's the catwalk. How sweet of you to show us the catwalk, my dear boy. Wait. Water. He's come to drink water. Hey, what is he doing? Getting in the water like this back foot way. On the back foot. Is he showing off to us? Showing off. You see, I've come closer to you. Huh? What do you want from me now? Tell me. Oh God.
What a profile he's given you.
Yeah.
What a profile.
Wow. Come on, sweetheart, move. Thoda sa. Do some action.
So you're calling him sweetheart or me?
Yeah, no, I'm calling him sweetheart.
Tiger next to you.
Tiger, of course, means so much to me. Been going from any pillar to post in pursuit of this one. Finally, I have you. Wow. Lovely creature. See. He's drinking water. He's a big one, huh? Bada hai.
Look at his head.
Yeah. And he's come so close to us. Thank God we are sitting in the front seats. See, he couldn't care less. There are 5-6 vehicles here. He's not worried. He's walked from here towards us. पानी पी रहा है इतने आराम से पानी पी रहा है. Wow, man, made my day. He's looking at us, huh? And drinking his water.
हाँ जी, लिख के दे दो, मैं फोटो खींच दूँ. हमारे पास लिखी पड़ी है, वो दे दो मेरे को, बस फोटो खींच लूँ.
Wow.
कोई गल नहीं, लिख लो. हाँ जी, हाँ.
sweetheart. Sweetheart, you have made my day.
What a beautiful day.
What a beauty you are, my dear girl. So beautiful, and you've given me such lovely memories. And thank you so much. You did so much for us. Everybody says such a sighting is very, very rare. And I'm really fortunate. Thank you so much, Noor. Oh, there are so many animals this side, yeah? Oh my god. There are so many. Oh my god, this is a treat. This is such a treat. Oh, just see. Oh my god. Just see the. I've never seen all the pigs and deer and peacocks eating together. Oh my god, see, so many of them are walking this way. ये वाइल्ड बोर है अच्छा वही रहे ओके these are wild boars my god I think there is some integration going on I see a langur peacocks spotted deer wild boars all of them together in one place I know oh my god Ooh. I've never seen a phenomena like this Such a vibrant, colorful jungle life, my god. Amazing colors, amazing birds, such a variety. Loving every moment of it. Loving this safari. Bye bye.
They are fighting.
This is literally called locking horns. Literally locking horns with each other. This side, around water body here, and here we found a crocodile. A crocodile. Scary looking thing. Would you move a little for us to know you're alive? Just show us that you're alive. Move your tail.
ये बड़ी वाली rock है ना इससे सीधा आगे
there
जाओ
is, you can see the reflection in the
पानी में जो
water
बड़ा rock
also.
दिख रहा है पत्थर
Oh my god, and the
इससे
big,
आगे उधर।
what is that coming?
It's about 10 feet after
Sambar, a huge one.
सांबर से 15
Has
feet
come
आगे
to have water
बिल्कुल किनारे
here.
पे है
And my
लकड़ी
god.
जैसा काला काला दिख रहा है
And if there's a big alligator here, तो वो तो खा जाएगा इसको.
हाँ
तो छोटा सा है बेचारा
छोटा ही है।
कुछ नहीं करेगा so here they are and across the road on the other side also a few of them are there and very close to me quite a few of them wow that's jungle life such sweet and lovable deer and spotted deer feeding themselves around, so overwhelmed to see such innocent creatures. But it does come to mind that they are a part of the food chain in the jungle and would eventually land in the stomach of the tiger or the tigress. Long horns. Back to that big sambar having water and alligator across. It seems to be a baby alligator. But hello. Hi. Come. देखने आया मेरे को कि who is the hell is she? देखो आराम से. He's not scared. Hello. Oh, this is a. Bye. And a few stills now. I have in mind that will have these blown up and put them around in my home to relive such a lovely memory, such a thrilling, wonderful memory of Ranthambore National Park. It was such a great feeling to be a part of the jungle life, to be a part of these animals, and loved every bit of it. And here comes a huge crocodile. My God, looking at the picture itself sends shivers down your spine. And now we are at Ranthambore Fort, which is supposed to be one of the strongest and most famous forts of ancient India. It was being ruled by a very kind and able king, Hamir Deo, when Alauddin Khilji deceitfully dethroned him and captured Ranthambore in 13th century AD. Ranthambore Fort in front of us. We are now entering inside this gate to go to Ranthambore Fort. Beautiful. Lovely. It's the gate of the fort. So fascinating, such an amazing place. I'm so glad we came here. Basically came for jungle safari, and somebody told us that we cannot go back without seeing this fort and imagine the glory of this place. And I think now the safari takes a secondary place in view of this. Is this the mandir?
One of the mandirs.
One of the mandirs. And right in front, endless, so widespread.
लेकिन मेंटेनेंस में कारण उसमें अंदर जाना मना है। इसके ऊपर बाहर देख पाएंगे, आगे गार्डन है बहुत सुंदर।
अच्छा,
इधर से चलेंगे बड़ा।
इसके सामने गार्डन है। ओह माय गॉड।
पार्क दिख रहा है, बिखरा पड़ा हुआ।
हाँ 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 हाँ।
बाद में 15 सेंचुरी बाद तो है जो ऑरेंज फ्लैग होगा। और अगर ब्लैक फ्लैग नजर आए तो आप ये मानना कि राजा हार गए।
हाँ हाँ।
सब सेक्रीफाई कर लेना, मतलब जोहर कर लेना।
अच्छा, जोहर कर लेना।
क्योंकि अलाउद्दीन खिलजी बहुत खूब शासक है, अच्छा राजा है, आपके साथ में बहुत बड़ा त्रिव्यवहार होगा।
हाँ।
तो वो यही बोलकर युद्ध के मैदान में उतर जाते हैं। अब किंग हमीर देव चौहान के पास में तो ओनली 35,000 आर्मी थी, लेकिन अलाउद्दीन खिलजी के पास में 1,80,000 आर्मी थी।
This is another one coming, huh? This is a talab pond right on top of the hill, and there are 5 talabs here like this on top of the hill within the periphery of the fort wall. And they say this was like a swimming pool for the ladies. That structure over there, they say, was like the changing room and things like that. Fascinating. I have never seen anything like that. There's a peacock flying away and the other one is sitting there. Oh, fascinating place, yeah. Been to many forts but never seen anything like this. Alauddin Khilji was the one who deceitfully conquered Raja Hamir Singh, of Ranthambore. My God, this structure is 1600 years old. And the talab is there. There are 5 talab within the periphery of the fort. 5 talabs like this one.
सीधी चढ़ाई ही बैटलफील्ड जाने के लिए रास्ता भी है। सीधी चढ़ाई तो हमारे भाषा में कहते हैं गोडा तोड़ घाटी। गोडा तोड़ मतलब घुटने तोड़ घाटी कहते हैं इसको।
Amazing, amazing place. My mind really is going back to the battle and the plight of the people. And before he came, they must have lived in splendor in a place like this. And then this guy comes and causes so much of misery to everybody. And the people were killed, soldiers killed, Raja killed, Ranis performed Johar. Oh my God. And as seen in the picture, huge stones and rocks were placed in front of the entry gate to confuse the enemy. These are the hoof prints of the horse of Raja Hamir Deo during the battle. And in this one you will see the stone head of one of the generals who had betrayed King Hamid Deo in his battle against Alauddin Khilji, and the visitors are supposed to hit this head with a stone to condemn his act, and I also did it. Twice, not once. That Moor right there with his short feathers, with his beautiful short feathers. The guy is dancing. Come and have a look. Oh my God, he's dancing. Oh my God, so beautiful. Such a lovely sight. Can't believe this. Oh, can't believe. And so many bachas or his wives are all around him. Oh, so cute. Aha. What treat. Look this side, boy, please. This side, I'm here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. You're gorgeous. Going close to him. Come on, muro, turn, this side. How sweet, how sweet, how sweet. Okay, coming. I don't feel like going, guys, continuing to dance. Just don't feel like moving away. Okay, bye, peacocks. Love you all. And this fort is not deserted. You know, we saw not once, twice the peacocks dancing here. It is full of life and energy even now. And I believe, you know, the tigers from the Ranthambore National Park visit in the evening. Actually, we were supposed to get out of the area before 6 o'clock, because after that it's time for the tigers to come and roam around. And there's one tigress, Riddhi. She has 3 cubs and she regularly comes to the fort and goes around the Ganesh temple that is there within the premises. So, you know, this is full of energy. Even now, you see the birds, you see the peacock dancing, you see a lot of people visiting. There are 2 temples, one of Ganesh ji and one of Mahadev ji, and it's really heavily, these 2 temples are heavily visited by people all around. They come from far and wide to come and visit these temples and take the blessings of Shiv ji and Ganesh ji. And this is full of life. And you know, when you are here, your mind goes back to the time, you know, what glory and splendor all those people must be living before the evil Alauddin Khilji set his eyes on it and came and dethroned the king. It is so sad to, you know, go through that history of this place. Here we are in the Ganesh temple. You know, this is Mahadev ji's temple, and before that we were in Ganesh ji's temple. And then, of course, then there's another temple that is a little far away from there. We visited that also. It's on a hilltop. That is again Shivji's temple. We climbed up there and visited the temple over there. And what a beautiful view from of the valley from that height. It's breathtaking. And I don't know who all are watching this video of mine, but if you're watching, there's double bonanza there. One is, of course, the national park and the beauty, and when the feeling and the emotion you get when you go to the fort is no less than that. It's equal to sighting a tiger in the national park and then coming here and, feeling the emotion of the place where you are. Here is at Club Mahindra, Tiger Kingdom is the name of this resort. It's so beautiful. Here is the pool, and we'll be coming here slightly later, late evening. And then that is their very nice gym that can be seen there. Then, oh my God, the sun is setting. I can see the glow. Oh, fantastic. I have been able to capture it. Oh, it is so beautiful. Lovely. I'm glad I came out for a walk this time to capture the beauty of the sunset. There it is. Lovely. It's a desert. Supposed to be a dry desert. And here they have managed to grow these plants and such lovely flowers. Beautiful. I'm loving it. I'm loving my walk in the evening at this place. Look at the color of the flowers. So beautiful. I see the. Oh my God. Beauty. Greenery everywhere. Abundance of it. Plenty of it. This side also. This is 151. Mine is 155. And that one is mine there.